Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to connect to an EC2 instance with the help of keypair. For this, go to EC2 dashboard, click on EC2 and we are going to connect to an EC2 instance with the help of keypair. So let's create a keypair first. So click on this keypairs, click on create keypair and the name of the keypair will be demo EC2 keypair and .pem extension is used for Linux and .ppk used for Windows. So we are going with private key format for .pem. Just click on create keypair. So keypair is created. Now we need to launch instance to with this specific keypair. Click on launch instances. Demo. The name of EC2 instance will be demo EC2 and AMI I'm going with Ubuntu and instance type will be t3.micro and this is a session of keypair. Select this keypair. We will connect our instance with this specific keypair. And for networking, let's go with the default VPC and we need to create a security group which basically allow SSH and I'm also allowing HTTP because when I'll connect to this EC2 instance in my terminal, so I'll update the packages and you will see that the packages will be updated and this is it. And in the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to launch an EC2 instance with all those options such as advanced details, what are these details and what is user data script and all of those things. Click on launch instance. So yeah, our instance is running. Now we need to connect this instance with a key pair. For this, click on connect. So these are some particular options. If I want to connect to my EC2 instance in this browser, so I'll select this EC2 instance connect. If I want to use SSM manager, I'll use this. If I want to use SSH client is used to connect to EC2 instance with key pair. So we are going to connect our EC2 instance with this option and here are some commands that we need to run. So we need to give only read only permission to our key and then we will connect to this instance. For this, let me just open my terminal. This is my terminal. I'm using VS Code and I'm on Windows. So Windows does not support SSH command. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a git bash terminal. A git bash terminal is activated and now I need to go to a particular directory where my key pair key is downloaded. So now I'm inside a directory where my key is located. So let's verify the name of the key which is demo EC2 key pair. Just verify ls-lrt demo EC2 keypair.pem. So as you can see, it has these permissions. So I need to change permissions. For this, change mode chmod 400, which will give only read only permission to this demo ec2.pem. Now the permissions are given. I can also verify from this. So now only read only permission is granted to my key pair. Now I will connect to EC2 instance with the help of this key pair. So I can use this DNS or I can also use the public IP of my EC2 instance as well. So copy this, paste this inside terminal, enter and yes. So yeah, as you can see, now I'm inside my EC2 instance. Now I'm inside my EC2 instance and I'm successfully connected to my instance, and this is its private IP 172.31 and this is its public IP. So let's update the packages. Sudo apt get update. As you can see, the packages are updating. This is how we connect to an EC2 instance with the help of key pair. This is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.